To simulate the effects of variability and dependency on output, we've provided a game that illustrates these concepts without getting too complicated. Here's how the game works. 3 stations are required to produce units of output. The first has no dependencies, but the second is dependent on the output of the first, and the third is dependent on the output of the second. The third station produces the final product. The output per day of each station is variable and determined by the roll of a 6-sided die. So each station can produce between 1 and 6 units of output, but output can also be limited by the output of the prior stations. For example, if each station rolls a 6, then output for that day would be 6. But if the first 2 stations roll 6s and the last one rolls a 4, then only 4 units can be produced that day. Excess inputs can be used on subsequent days, so if a station gets more input than it can use, then that station can use those inputs on the next day. The simulation will run for 20 days, and will ask you to predict what the output will be. That's how the dice game works.